Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub.
And this is Asad Yaqub.
Alright guys, in this short video, I'm going to discuss the most common questions in IELTS speaking part 1. And we have the candidate. Anyways, alright?
Yeah.
So the topic is home or accommodation. This is a very common topic in IELTS speaking part 1. So I'll ask you some questions, you got to answer.
Okay.
Do you live in a house or a flat?
Currently, I live in a house in one of the greatest places of my city. But in the future, I plan to get a flat of my own to live independently.
Live independently, stupid fellow. Answer the questions properly, okay? Don't tell me your plans.
Yeah.
You're gonna live with me.
Yeah.
Please describe your house a little.
My house is actually quite beautiful. When you enter the house, on the left side, you see a beautiful lawn, and then there are a lot of flowers in that lawn, and a lot of greenery in my house. Towards the inside, we have the portion, the ground floor and the upper floor both are the same. First we have a hall and we've got 5 rooms.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you talking to me or are you talking to the camera?
I'm trying to look at both the
All right, then
things,
let's look at them.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah,
you
that's
answer
better.
to them and I question. All right. What's your favorite room in your house?
Well, my favorite room in my house is most definitely my room, because most of the time I stay in my room and I feel the most comfort in my room, as it's my little personal space and I get to do whatever I want.
All right, little personal. You live in a nest, huh? What have you done to your room to make it look nice?
I have put a lot of fun. Daddy, why are you giving me that look?
Come on.
Yeah. So
Again.
Yeah.
I'm the examiner, you're the candidate. What have you done to your room to make it look nice?
I have put some good furniture in my room to make it look nice. I have put a study table and an LED TV, and also because I like to do calligraphy, I also hung some paintings of calligraphy on the wall as well.
All right, but your mother says your room is a junkyard. I don't know why.
Daddy, don't expose
All right,
me.
that's his personal.
Yeah.
Okay, who do you live with?
I currently live with my family, my parents and my elder sibling, but in the future I do plan to live on my own for some time.
How long have you been living in that place?
I have been living in that place since I was born, since I've been living there since 13 years. And
for 13 years.
For 13 years, and I plan to live there for some more time.
Okay, do you plan to live there for a long time?
Yes, I do plan to live there for a long time, because I have many memories in that house, and it's very comfortable as it is my parents' house, and I get all the things that I want there.
What do you usually do in your house?
I usually spend time with my family if they're at home, or otherwise I just play some video games, or sometimes I just start walking around the house, just looking at things and visualizing what's going on around me.
All right, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking part 1.
Yeah.
Okay, and you know, through these answers, your answers, I get to know your plans. Tu kare chal ajve. Alright guys, thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button
and also subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and the rest you do.
I also teach IELTS online and on campus. This is my IELTS class.
Yeah.
You can see all around. This
and
is
I'm
my
always
IELTS class.
Here, so
yeah, she's always here with me. So you may join me live as well.
Yeah.
Take care. All the best.
Allah Hafiz.